Hi, this is a lazy opening, but now I'm in my dormitory room in RUDN, RUDN, the U already university. Why I said RUDN University? Okay, Russian University at Dormitory in Moscow, Russia. This is my dormitory number 9. I live here for 5 months now. No, just already 4 months now, but I will live for 5 months. That's too much information, but okay, I will show you how it's like inside the room, okay?
This is the corridor. It's on my way to the kitchen, but there's people in the kitchen, so I got shy and I got back. So this is the way to the room where you can put your trash. It's a cool thing. It's like a chimney, but for trash. You can see. Wait, now you can see. You can pull this and put your trash, but it's stuck at the moment. So yeah, but it's a pretty cool thing. Now moving on to my room. This is the entrance. You can see the lamp is automatic. It's turned on now, and you can see there's a lot of doors. One door, shower, toilet, room number 1 and room number 2. You will know what's inside. So this is the shower. This is the appearance of the shower. You get a sink for washing your face, brushing your teeth. This is the shower. Yeah, it's plenty good space for us to shower. Not too small, not too. This is me, yay! Okay, not important. Moving on to the next room. Fast, please. Yeah, it's the toilet. Okay, just okay. Okay, close it again. You can see it now. You already see. This is the entrance. The entrance. Yeah, the entrance. You can put shoes, jackets. What the thing for winter? Yeah.
Now I already inside the room, so I don't have to do voiceover. I'm not shy to anyone because now over here. Previously, I have 2 roommates. A little bit of information. The one is from Russia, the other one also Indonesian, but this one already finished the study in RUDN. This one, she goes to another city. Now I am all alone here with my oranges. Okay, I will explain to you what's like. So previously, in the entrance, you saw four doors. The first one is the shower. The second one is the toilet, and the third one right here is the other room. So there's people living in it. So in total, I have 4 roommates. It's 5 of us, but the 2 in a separate room. So 2 rooms and 3 rooms. I live in the 3 rooms one. They called it the 2 rooms is A, if I'm not mistaken, and the 3 is B. And for example, my room is 407, 407A, 407B, like that. So, okay, this is the entrance of my room. This is storage. Each of us has this kind of storage. This is my roommate. This is my roommate. Mine's over there, and that just one door is the communal storage. This we have a fridge. Refrigerator is so UK. Ooh, no. We have okay, enough food, not a lot, but enough. And this is the freezer. We have what is called that. Then this is space for my roommate. Not very tidy, not very clean. It's okay. And this is my space. I will review right here. So what they give to us is this space contains of bed and another storage, and a desk. Another storage also, and we have a lamp over here, and we also have a lamp over there for sleep. That's my massage gun. I love it so much. My back hurts a lot. This is my orange. If you don't know, this is orange. Okay. What else I should tell you? Okay. So we have this communal kettle. We buy this and we can use. Everyone in this room can use it. The three of us. The other two, I don't do business with them. We don't do business with them. Just for toilet and shower. This is from the previous owner. This girl, she finished, but she left it. She said, "You can use it." Okay. And before she give this, we buy water in a container like this. It's 6 liters. It's enough for a week for me. And this is our heater. Don't do this. This is bad example, but I just want these clothes to dry quick. So this is the this hairpiece corner I can call. So when I finish wash my dishes, I dry it here because it's near the window, near the heater. So I also dry clothes here. It dries quick. It's 3 days. It's already dry. It's not even humid. It dries perfectly. Not perfectly, but yeah, it works. It's not humid. It not left any bad smells or anything. This is surface. This is surface corner also. But that one, unfortunately, she doesn't have this kind of surface corner. So we share, mainly here we share this surface corner for 2 of us. So they got us a chair for a desk and a stool for this table actually. This one only got a stool but no table. Okay. What else? I already tired from speaking. I'm sorry if my video is not perfect because I'm not born to be a YouTuber. I just do YouTube for fun. I don't even talk in public often. So I often forget what I have to say. What else I should show you? So we have a few question where we have this laundry clothes, but where do we do laundry? It's in another floor. I will not show you because there are peoples there. I am shy, but let's see if I'm capable to do it or not, because I haven't do for the kitchen because there's people in it. I am too shy to show you. I'm sorry if you see the floor while I'm talking. I don't know how to talk properly in the camera. Probably this, yeah. So there's kitchen in this floor. There's kitchen. Kitchen have 3 stoves, 3 ovens, 1 microwave, and 3 sinks. Yeah. In this room, total 15 rooms. 15 rooms multiply 5 people. Count it by yourself. 60 people in this floor. Okay. And for the laundry, it's in another floor. Laundry is in 5, 9, and 15. Actually, before in the 12th floor, there's also laundry. Each floor each floor has 3 washing machine, but I don't know why in the ninth floor now there's no washing machine anymore. I don't know why. That's sad because the washing machine is the opportunity to use the washing machine is like a war. Okay. Maybe that's enough for the explanation. And I'm too tired. I don't know what else to say to you. Okay, this is a little bit of view. I can tell you. This is the linen. Yeah, I'm pretty sure this linen. The bed clothes. We can change it every 1 week. Every 1 week, there's a special day for changing this. You can change this in the duvet and the pillow cloth. Yeah, You can bring to the other floor. There's a linen room. This is my dirty 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 this, and then they will give you another one new. Okay, thank you for watching my video.